Hi everyone, this is Dr. Megha. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about a simple yet effective skincare routine for oily skin type. And we are going to be covering about AM routine or morning skincare routine, night skincare routine, affordable product recommendations. And in the end of the video, I'll also be sharing some homemade face packs which you can apply if you have oily skin type. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the video now. So let's start with the morning skincare routine or AM routine. AM routine includes a gentle foaming cleanser. Second comes the serum. Third is the moisturizer. The last step will be a sunscreen. Let's start with the cleanser now. For cleanser, you need to be using a foaming cleanser which gently exfoliates your skin and also helps in controlling excessive oil production from your skin and cleansing your skin without stripping natural oils from your skin. So here are a few good recommendations from my side. You can go for AHA Glow face wash, Cutie Shine face wash, Dermacose 2% niacinamide face wash, Deconstructs 0.5% salicylic acid face wash. So these cleansers help unclog pores and also helps in removing oil buildup from your skin. After cleansing your face, let's dive into a serum now. So serum is optional if you're dealing with excessive oil production, open pores or damaged skin barrier. You can go for 5% niacinamide serum. So here are few good recommendations from my side. You can go for 5% niacinamide serum for minimalists, or you can go with Deconstructs 5% niacinamide serum. So these were a few good options for niacinamide serum. After applying a serum, next step will be a moisturizer. So oily skin type also needs hydration, so don't skip your moisturizer. Just choose a lightweight and a non-comedogenic moisturizer. So here are few good recommendations of non-comedogenic and oil-free moisturizers from my side. You can go for Acne Moist Moisturizer, AC Mist Moisturizer, Excella Moisturizer, Acne OC Moisturizer, or Dermacose Oil-Free Moisturizer. So these were the few good moisturizer recommendations. So after moisturizer, you need to be applying a sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must in the daytime. So here are few good recommendations from my side. You can go for Deconstructs gel-based sunscreen, Fix Derma's gel-based sunscreen, Uvidox gel-based sunscreen, or Wishcase Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. So these are non-greasy, leaves no white cast, and also safe for acne prone skin as well. So that's it for the morning routine. It was 4 steps: a cleanser, serum, moisturizer and a sunscreen. So let's begin with the nighttime skincare routine now. For nighttime skincare routine, it's very simple. It's just 3 steps. You need to be using a cleanser, serum and a moisturizer. So for cleanser, you can use the same cleanser which you have used in the morning routine. And for serum, you can start by using salicylic acid serum if you have whiteheads, blackheads, excessive oil production, or if you have small pustules, you can even use it in that case. So here are few good salicylic acid based serum from my side. You can go with Sebo gel or Zitcare gel, or 2% salicylic acid serum from Dermaco, or you can use Minimalist 2% salicylic acid serum. So these were the few good recommendations of salicylic acid serum. You can use these serums only 2 to 3 times a week, only at night. Then apply a moisturizer. For moisturizer, you got to be using the same moisturizer which you have used in the AM routine or morning routine. So that's it for morning and nighttime skincare routine. And here are few good homemade face pack options which you can try if you have oily skin type. My first face pack recommendation will be of Multani Mitti plus rose water. Multani Mitti is basically Fuller's Earth plus rose water. Mix both of them and apply it on your face and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can wash it off with the plain water. This face pack is great for oily skin type as it can control excessive oil production from your skin and also helps in unclogging your pores. And the second recommendation is rose water plus sandalwood powder. You can mix these two and apply it on your face like the first one. This helps in cooling, calming and mattifying your skin. So these were the 2 safer face packs which you can try it at home. If you have oily skin, just apply these 1 to 2 times a week. That's more than enough. And so that's about it for this video. If this video was helpful in any way, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if in case you have any doubts regarding anything in this video, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. And take care of yourself. Bye.